What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Pualena by Vika. Today's song was requested by Paulena. So shout out to you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other requests guys, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to post that up. But for now, I'm just taking you through the rundown of the song and then we'll get into the lesson. Cheers! First of all, you're gonna put your middle finger here, your index finger on this string right here, and your ring finger over here. So this is the intro. So what I do is I roll my fingers. So I use my thumb. This is the bass, and I use these three strings. Not the last one, but the fifth one. So I kind of roll my fingers. So here we go. So. Just gotta keep practicing. I didn't get it the first time rolling my fingers, but the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it. So, so the first part is the second part of this the intro is what you do is just lift this finger up. So you're not pressing anything, and you just slide these two fingers over one fret. And I just do the same thing, hitting the same strings, but then I jab this string right here with my ring finger. So and then I hit this string right here. So and then they play that I think like 3 times. So changes. All you do is just lift your index finger. So we're getting ready for the verse. So what I do is I just go and I lift my index fingers, still pressing on the other two, and the verse comes up. So the first chord for the verse is I'm gonna do a bar chord. So you cover all these strings with this finger, and then I'm gonna place my ring finger, or however you feel comfortable, but I feel comfortable with my ring finger on the second string, on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th fret. So this one's gonna sound like. Still keep the second chord for that, for the verse part. I still keep the index finger bar chord, and then I move my middle finger onto the 5th string and my ring finger onto the 3rd string. So. And I use the space. So if you can follow me, I'll just play it to you slowly. So then you go back to the same chord. So and this part changes. So you move the bar, your index bar chord, to the 4th fret. And then you're going to put your middle finger onto the 5th string and your ring finger over here. So it's going to give you this chord. And then I lift my middle finger and then I place my pinky onto this string, keeping this string on the same, or keeping this finger onto this string right here. So so much, and then you're going to move 1 fret over. You're going to keep this bar chord, these two strings right here, 1, 2, and then you're going to place your middle finger into, if you can see it, this string right here. So it goes dun, 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 dun. So I go. So I hit these fingers. Oh, sorry, I hit these strings. So. And then I go back to the near the beginning part. So another chord, another bar chord. So gonna place your finger here, place your finger right here. So it goes. And then you're gonna do that same chord in the beginning. Then you're gonna go, is it here? Yep, that same string. There's quite a few chords in this song, so just bear with me. So this chord, this bar chord right here, and you place your ring finger and then your pinky over here. So much. Oh wait, so it goes. Dun, 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 dun. And then you go back to the first chord. Dun, 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 dun. And this is the chord just before the chorus. So you're going to slide your finger all the way to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret. You just do one, you're going to cover all these strings with your index finger. So you're going to get the sound. And then you're going to go, so now we're going to do the chorus. So that was the verse. So the chorus is, you're going to go back to that chord, that bar chord right here. But what I do is that, because my fingers are getting sore from doing all these bar chords, you tend to get a little tension over here on your thumb. Well, that's me anyway, but the way I play it is, instead of doing that chord again, I play it like this. So my index finger here, middle finger, and then, so it's still the same chord, but just without doing the bar chord. So so then you're going to put your finger here, your ring finger here, and also your index finger over here. So you're going to get this chord right here. Dun, 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 and then this chord right here. So I'm going to place your middle finger, index finger over here, and then your ring finger here. Dun, 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 dun. And then I'm going to put your finger here. So index, middle, ring right underneath it. And then you're going to do this chord right here. So miss a string right here, and then miss another string. So if you can see, I'm pressing this string here, missing that one, pressing this string here, missing that one, pressing this string here. So there you have it, folks. Pualena by Vika. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I try my best to post up every Saturday. So if you have any requests or any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. But until then, take care, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.